Now in this video, let us see another example from time and work. The problem is this. If A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do it in 12 days, find how much time they will take to complete the work under the following circumstances. The first question is working together. This we have already solved in the previous video. The answer to this is 60 by 11. Now let us try to solve the second question. What is second question? Working alternatively starting with A. So let's get into the problem. What it means working alternatively is. So working alternatively means the work will be started by A and he will do it for one day. Then the next day B will do, and the next day A will do, and the next day B will do. This will continue until the work gets completed. So if you carefully observe, in 2 days the work done will be the one day work of A and B combinedly. That means 2 days work will be equal to A plus B one day work. In the previous video, we have already seen that work done will be 60 units and A's individual work is 6 units per day. B's individual work is 5 units per day. A plus B's individual work is 11 units per day. So from this, in 2 days the work done is 11 units, and to complete 60 units of work, what will be the number of days taken? That is nothing but 60 into 2 by 11, which is nothing but 120 by 11, which is nothing but 10 plus 10 by 11. So the number of days taken will be 10 days plus some X days. So first we need to find out in 10 days how much work will be done. We know that in 2 days the work done is 11 units. In 10 days the work done will be 10 into 11 by 2, which is 55 units. That means 55 units of work is done in 10 days. The remaining 5 units will be done by A alone. So A's one day work is 6 units. So to complete remaining 5 units, how much time A will take? It will be 5 by 6. So the total number of days required will be 10 plus 5 by 6 days. So this will be the number of days it will take to complete the work if they work together alternatively starting with A. Now let us solve third question. What is third question? What will be the number of days it will take to complete the work if they work together alternatively starting with B? So in the previous question, they work together, but the work will be started by A. What that means? A starts the work and do it for one day, then B will do it for one more day, and after that A will do it for one more day, and so on until the work will be completed. The same way in the third question also, they work together, but here B will start the work and do it for 1 day. Then after that A will do. Then after that B will do. Then after that A will do. And this will be continued until the work is done. So let's solve this problem. Now the sequence will be B, A, B, A and so on until the work is completed. Here also in 2 days the work done will be 11 units. The total work is 60 units. So the number of days it will take to complete 60 units of work will be 60 into 2 by 11, which is nothing but 120 by 11, which is equal to 10 plus 10 by 11. So the answer will be 10 days plus some days to complete the work. Now in 10 days the work completed will be 55 units. The remaining 5 units will be done by B alone, as the sequence is BA, BA, BA. So B's 1 day work is 5 units. To complete 5 units of work, B will take 1 day. So the answer will be 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11 days. So the time taken to complete the work, if they work together alternatively starting with B, is 11 days.